All right, this is a quick screencast just to show you how to take your time and task analysis sheet, whether it's in Google or an Excel doc on your computer, and put it into the time task folder in our School Counselors 1819 Google folder. So that's a mouthful, but just follow me step by step. First, you will open up, if you have a Google Doc, we'll do that part first. Open that up, so your Google Sheet, whatever you've titled it, the sheet for your fall 2018 time task analysis. So this is mine. And what you'll do then is in that document, you'll click File. You'll go down, there we go, go down to Move. It's got a picture of a file folder next to it. So just to repeat, you go to File, then down to Move, and then it shows you where you are. So you're going to click Back. And it depends on where you have your school counseling department folder. So I know where mine's located, so I'm going to locate that School Counseling 1819 folder. Here's mine, School Counselors 1819. This is where I've saved it. If yours is just listed in your drive, then you're going to go all the way back to My Drive and you're going to find that folder. Okay. If it's only in Shared With Me, then you'll click Shared With Me and you'll find the folder there. Okay. Hopefully that helps. So I know where mine's at, so I'm going to access it here and click that folder. Once you're in the School Counselors 1819 folder, you're going to scroll down to, wait for it, Time Task Analysis folder. Okay. School Counselors 1819 folder. Click this arrow next to Time Task Analysis folder. Click Move here. Okay. Voila. Like magic, Google has moved it over to the proper folder. The second method, if you've used a Excel spreadsheet, so I just threw an old one of mine onto my desktop here, what you'll do is in your web browser, you're going to go to Google Drive. And again, this is going to require you to find your School Counselors 1819 folder, wherever you've placed it. If it's in My Drive, if it's in Shared With Me, however you find the School Counselors 1819 folder. So I'm going to access where I've put that folder in my Google Drive. Similar process. You're going to open up School Counselors 1819, slide on down to Time Task Analysis, and then you're going to say New, File, Upload. So I'll just back out of that again. Once I'm in the Time Task Analysis folder in School Counselors 1819, I'm going to click New. And then File, Upload. And then mine is on my desktop, so I'm going to click Desktop here so I can access where that document is. I'm going to scroll down until I see it. These are all the files and items on my desktop. Here it is. That's the one I want to put in this Google folder. So I click it, and then I click Open. And then it's uploading it. Once that magic is done, all right, it's done. That's complete. So that's how you either add your time task sheet to the Google folder from a Google Doc to the Google folder, or from an Excel spreadsheet on your computer to the Google folder. Let me know if you have any questions.